In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Seabank to PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what details to enter so your Seabank account connects smoothly to your PayPal. Start by signing into your PayPal account on the official site. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. Find the section labeled Pay and Get Paid. Click it to expand the options, then choose Banks and Cards. This page shows any banks or cards you've already connected, and it's also where you'll add a new one. Next, look for the Link a Bank button. If your screen has a highlighted area guiding you, that highlight is pointing to the exact spot to click. Select it to open the page where you'll add your bank details. On the linking form, begin with the bank name field. Type Seabank. As you type, a drop-down will appear. Click Seabank from that list. When you do, the bank code field below should populate automatically. That's normal, and it's a good sign you selected the correct bank. There's no need to change that code if it autofills. Now, enter your Seabank account number. Type it carefully and make sure it matches your bank records exactly. Avoid spaces or dashes unless the field specifically allows them. A quick double check here helps prevent errors later. On this same page, PayPal will display the account name it has on file for you, and if you have both personal and business profiles, you may see both. It's best if the name shown matches the name registered on your Seabank account. Matching names help reduce the chances of transfer delays or verification questions down the line. When everything looks correct, Seabank selected, the bank code autofilled, your account number entered, and the name details matching, go ahead and click Link Your Bank. If the interface highlights the button for you, follow that visual cue. PayPal will process the request, and that's it. You've initiated the connection between your PayPal and Seabank accounts. To recap the flow you just followed, you went to Pay and Get Paid, opened Banks and Cards, selected Link a Bank, chose Seabank from the drop-down, confirmed the auto-filled bank code, entered your Seabank account number, verified your name details, and clicked Link Your Bank. Keep an eye on any on-screen confirmations from PayPal. If the layout on your account looks a little different, rely on the same labels and any highlights to guide you to the right buttons. And that's how you link Seabank to PayPal quickly and confidently.